Life, sweet life, sweet life, sweet life.
Hi guys and welcome back. So as promised, I'm going to show you guys how I made this monogram using the Fortnite Cupcake Toppers from the part 1 video. I will be sure to link that video below so you can see how I made these Fortnite Toppers. So we're going to start off with some streamer paper. I'm using 4 different colors. You can use 1 or 2 colors, whatever you like to match your theme. A knife, buttercream, and cupcakes. So this is a 16-inch monogram box. You can get these monogram boxes in both letters and numbers from Amazon. You can get them from Joann's Fabric and from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just using a knife to kind of get into it, and then the top comes off very easy. But guys, make sure you have your number or your letter, whichever one, facing the correct way, because I have did one of these before where I've had the number upside down and then I've cut the top off and then it was backwards. So make sure your number or letter is the correct way. So I'm just going to line up my cupcakes in this box, and these boxes fit a different number of cupcakes depending on which number or letter you use. So now I'm just using the streamer paper that I cut out to fill in the spaces between each cupcakes. Like I said, you can use 1 color, 2 color, however many colors that you want to actually match with your theme. And you can also use just regular tissue paper and just cut it into squares, little squares, and use that. Or you can use the crinkle paper, like the grass type paper to fill that in as well. But I like using these streamer paper because it just fits perfectly. And I cut it into about 3-inch pieces. Not perfect, it doesn't matter. And I just kind of mix the colors up until I fill it all the way in. Like I said, I can't really tell you how many pieces you'll need because each number and letter box is different and does fit a different amount of cupcakes. So you'll just kind of have to see yourself how many that you'll need. And once you start getting used to doing these, you'll know about how many you need to complete a box. So now that we got the paper in there, we're going to just pipe each cupcake with buttercream. Like I said, I have did a video on my buttercream recipe, so I will link that below. And the reason why I do this step after I put the paper in is because I don't want to mess up the buttercream. And this is why I decorate the cupcakes inside the box already. You don't want to decorate them first and then try to set them in the box because you will mess it up and get buttercream everywhere. So it's best that you do it in this order. So now these are those toppers that we made in the first video, and we're just gonna randomly place them. I try to space them out as much as possible so you don't have the same topper next to each other. And there we have it, guys. That was nice and easy. Doesn't take any time at all. I'm just adding a few little sprinkles to match the theme of this box, and that is it. And this is how our box came out. And because I get so many questions of how you package these, this is how I package them, guys. They fit perfectly into a half sheet box, and I just place a business card on top. That's it. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and most of all, subscribe. Bye.
Sweet life, sweet life, sweet pie.